There it is. Favourite kind of road where it turns to gravel. So we're on Paddy's Flat Road, and basically from home it's taken 3 hours to get to the dirt from my place. 3.5 including breakfast. But yeah, so it's just Neil and I heading down for a last couple of nights camping of the year where it's cool, you know, before it gets too stinking hot. It's 8 or 9 degrees overnight where we're going to be camping the next couple of nights. Different places, so we're just heading down to the green. Just got my bike serviced, so we'll cruise along well. New tyres on, Rail Z rear, and Scorpion Rally front again. And yeah, this road's been graded since the last time we were here, quite recently. Pretty sketch. Billyrimba Firetrail for its Taranaki gates, such as this one. Downhill, put it in gear, stop it rolling away. These new Liat pants are crap. I do not like them. I do not like them at all. Something completely different. Don't mind me, guys. Don't mind me. Alright, alright. Don't get up there. Line choice by Neil. Hey, buddy. One more gate before the forest. We're sort of getting to the area where if the weather's been bad and it's all churned up, you can get to a couple of rocky, steep switchbacks that can be a bit treacherous. Some big embedded rocks. Sort of one of those things, if you keep your momentum and picking your line and avoiding the worst, it's no drama, but sort of, it won't look it on camera, but it's kind of at that slope that you would want to stop and start on it and be comfortable. But this is sort of the worst of it. Just nothing today. Just in case you're navigating a clean-ish line. That's really about it. Up here it gets up to the track for the lookout and becomes a bit more of a major track again. A couple of places in there you wouldn't want to start and stop, eh?
Yeah, those switchbacks. But it's in pretty good nick though. Like it's pretty, obviously a few bikes have been down there today, I think.
Yeah. There's a lot more tracks than last time when me and Phil came through.
I think those guys, they've all gone down by the look of it.
I was actually just saying I wouldn't want to go down on a 1290 or a GSA.
You just have to go fucking real slow.
Yeah, because you know, if a rock does that to you,
Yeah, well, especially with all this crap on too.
Yeah.
Your pants are too short, mate.
These pants are shit.
Take them back.
And they're way too hot. Maybe alright in winter, I don't know.
Yeah, but this one's a Mojave, climb Mojave.
Yeah.
I'm beginning to wish I'd bought those pants now.
Yeah.
But I might not be saying that tomorrow morning.
No, we'll see. If it's 8 degrees when we're riding off to breakfast,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, yeah.
I'll be smiling.
Ah, well, you want to go ahead, mate?
Go up to that intersection.
Just wait at the T there.
Yeah. One more. Like bikes coming. One more. Different route, obviously. One more. There have been some kangaroos out where, well, speaking of kangaroos, there's another 5 or 6. So, according to Mr. GPS, we've got almost on the dot from here, an hour before the sun goes down. And to say that the kangaroos are out would be an understatement. They are just all over the place, much like my riding. So, locals, kangaroos, that's where we camped last time. That's where we camped the time before. More roos, a bit of wood. Flat. That'll do.